Yo, what's going on YouTube? Zach with IT Career Questions here. Apologize for the little bit late of a delay here. I was having a problem with my streaming program, and I'm now having another problem with the other program I'm using. The chroma key is all jacked up. So, whatever, that's fine. I don't really care. I want to get this stream going. Let's see, let's try to get this looking good. Nope. Still not looking good. Well, I hope everybody is doing okay today. First and foremost. No, still don't have it right. Today we're going to be talking about some cybersecurity training, and I'm going over a few different things. Mainly, if you guys already know, I'm doing my Security Plus. I'm doing that with the CertMaster program through CompTIA. I've talked about that quite a few times. And today I'm going to talk about Circadence. Circadence is a company that produces a training platform called Project Ares, which is like a gamified cybersecurity training platform. It's one of the coolest things I've ever seen in my life. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. We're going to go over the Linux mission. It's a really basic mission. So we'll just jump right into that. Here we go. Here is, as soon as you log into Project Ares, this is what you see. This is the screen that you get. You have your battle school, you have some assessments, and then you have different missions that you could go through within the platform. Now, what Project Ares will do is teach you a lot of the fundamentals and even more advanced skills that are required if you're looking to get into cybersecurity. Now they go over like a lot of different pen testing stuff, which is really cool. Teach you, it's a blue team, red team, and if you look closely here, you can see that there's blue and red. So these different missions here signify that you're either going down a red team mission or a blue team mission. So there's a lot involved here in this platform. But if you want to just get started in it and just start from basic, no level of knowledge, you don't know what you're doing, you can do that. So what's cool is here, if we go to the battle school, I'm going to go right into that. And you have your media center here, which there's a lot of different information within the media center. So videos, PDFs, links to other websites and things like that. So great resource to kind of read up or watch different videos to help you gain that knowledge. The game room, they have a lot of different games here that you can play. I know that I think they said that they're coming out with more. So that's really cool. I've done these games before. We've talked about them in other streams. But today we're going to do a battle room, and we're going to go into this Linux Basics course. And I apologize, guys, because I'm sick too, because it's terrible. I hate talking when I'm sick. But anyway, so we'll go into this Linux battle room. You guys can see that there's a few different essential courses here that you could take. Network analyst. This will kind of here it tells you right here. This battle room is focused on entry-level tasks for a network analyst, where you'll be given trials and reconnaissance, sensor tuning, log aggregation. I can't even talk today. Sorry. So there's that. There's more too, and I think as you unlock some of these things, I think more actually come. So if you guys are interested in this, there's a link in the description. You guys can go check it out. But anyway, we're going to get this Linux Basics course started. It's going to launch this mission. Hi to always. What's going on, people? How are y'all doing in the chat? Wasn't even paying attention to the chat. I hope you guys are all doing well. There we go. So this battle room, as you can see here, it's we're basically spinning up a virtual machine for this, so we can do some VNC access, and we can pull up. As we pull up it's a Kali version. Yeah, it is Kali. Yep. So it's just an instance of Kali that we're going to be working off of. And let me minimize this here real quick so you guys can see. On the right hand side, this is the tasks that we'll be doing. So we've not completed any, but to start it off, we want to use touch to create the file temp in the directory you are in. So again, this is just going over some of the basic Linux commands, making sure that you understand, some of these different commands that would be utilized within some of these different missions and stuff that are involved in the platform. You can click on the question mark and get hints. So if you aren't familiar with what touch is and what it does, it's going to give you kind of a brief explanation of it. And once you get to the very last page of the hints, it basically tells you exactly what to do. So it gives you the whole command there on what you need to do. So we'll go back to our Kali instance here. So we'll do touch temp. And then as you can see right here, as soon as we initialize that command, we got a check mark here. So now we have completed 1 of 15. So I, by all means, am not a Linux professional. I'm not going to know all of these commands that they're wanting me to do here. I'm not going to maybe understand it, or I'll just have to use the hints. But if you guys want to follow along with me, you definitely, put in the chat what you think I should be doing instead of using the hints. Otherwise, we'll just kind of go over this quick mission here, and that's it. I mean, that's kind of what I want to do today, because this is something. This right here is what started me down my path for Linux for the next 30 days, which has been like 24 days left or something. The only reason why we're using this Windows machine is because I do all of my streaming from it. So, my bad. But now we want to change our working directory to temp, so we can do cd tmp. Oh. There we go. So we got that done. We changed our directory. If you use cd, this stands for change directory in Linux. Now we want to print out the value of our current shell. I think that's just path, isn't it? Path. PWD maybe? No, we skipped ahead. Print out the value of our current. What is it? It's wow, I'm already stumped on the second one. Third one. Print out the value of your current shell. I thought that was path. Maybe it's not. It's oh man. Path PWD. It's not that. Current shell. Oh, that's man. Project Aries is going to have a subscription plan. If you head over to the website, or you can reach out to John Ballard. I'll put his name in the email or in the chat. jballard@circadence.com. Reach out to that guy. Echo. Echo, that's what it wanted me to do. So we could do echo path. No, echo. I thought that's what it is. See, I'm not sure. Echo. That's what I did. Echo shell. Oh my god. See, this is why I started down the path for myself to do Linux for 30 days. And obviously I've not been doing very well with it. I should have known this. So this is Project Aries. It's a gamified cybersecurity training platform, which is pretty cool. So the next part we need to do is copy a string into a file name test.txt using the redirect operator. Ooh. I know how to write text to a file from the command line. So you could do like what, touch, this is a file, and then, no, what is it, touch, test, we'll just do test.txt, this is text, is that what it would be? Let's see, now we could do cat test.txt, but it wants me to do something different. What does it want me to do here? I should be reading all of this, but I'm not gonna put you guys through that. Echo some string. Gotcha. So this would be the case if, again, if we were putting in, and the reason why they have copy a string, so that way if Linux wouldn't get confused if you're throwing in something that could look like a command. Where's it at? So echo, we'll do some string, and then test.txt. There we go. How much does it cost? I'm not sure on the price right now. I'd reach out to John Ballard. I think it's around like $50, $60 a month or so, somewhere in that range. Don't quote me on that 100%, but I believe it's affordable for what it is you get to do here. And this is just real basic stuff right here. So if we actually got into a mission, I mean, I would be in trouble because I don't know what the heck I'm doing yet. So we'll have to go through these different